Hello guys, today I'll show you something different from the mainstream videos of my channel, unboxing and a really short review of a smartphone. You know, smartphones are not my power. This over here is a brand new Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G. It's a model from the end of 2022. All models branded Pro Plus are equipped with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM. The main difference between the Pro and the Pro Plus models is in the camera. This over here is equipped with a 200 megapixels main camera. Without further ado, let's unbox this one and see what we have. This one should be the menu, yeah, and some other information. I forgot to say that the model is equipped with 120 watts quick charger, and it's really heavy charger if you ask me. We have a charging cable, really nice blue color. I think it's sky blue, yeah, sky blue is the name. The 200 megapixels main camera. Let's turn it on. We have a 3.5 millimeters audio jack, and the model is supporting 5G on both SIM cards. It's equipped with a infrared remote, so you can use the telephone to control, I don't know, your air conditioner or your TV, whatever you want. Another interesting thing to mention is that the model is equipped with a fingerprint scanner on the side button here. Just like every Xiaomi new model, the 12 Pro Plus comes with a really nice plastic case. Let's do a really basic comparison between the 12 Pro Plus and Xiaomi 13, which I happen to have here. Starting with the two chargers, the 67 watts charger of the Xiaomi 13 weighs only 103 grams, while the 120 watts charger of the 12 Pro Plus weighs 173 grams. The Xiaomi 13 has really nice glass looking back panel, while on 12 Pro Plus it's more like plastic, still really nice with really nice color. Being more expensive, the Xiaomi 13 is equipped with a Leica branded cam. I'm not sure how visible is this on the camera, but the screen on the 12 Pro Plus looks brighter. And let's do some shooting comparison between the models. They're both set to auto. Let's take a look at the results. Those are the photos when the cameras are set on auto. I would say the result is pretty similar. The next photos are taken when the cameras are set to 50 megapixels. Again, the sharpness is pretty similar. And the last two photos, this over here on the 12 Pro Plus, is taken using the 200 megapixels. Again, I would say pretty similar sharpness. Of course, those are two photos taken using the night modes of the cameras. Again, I would say that the sharpness is pretty similar. Probably on the Xiaomi 13 the photo is slightly more sharp. Another photo using the night mode. Without claiming of being any kind of smartphone specialist, I would say those two camera sets share pretty similar capabilities. Of course, the hardware and the design of the two phones differs vastly, but so does their price. I think this is enough for my first smartphone review. If you'd like it, you know what to do. Bye and see you soon.